Hello again everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about picking and fingering exercise number 3 and 4, which are more challenging than number 1 and 2. If you haven't practiced number 1 and 2, then I think you will find that these exercises will be a bit challenging for you. So I would suggest go and check it out. If you're ready, then we can go and get started. Okay, exercise 3 and 4. So exercise 3 is going to be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 on the left hand. We can do it from the 5th fret like this. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then the next string. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then you can do it on the lower string like this. After you can do it well, then you can do it all over the fretboard. Start from down here, all the way up, like this. Then move up 1 fret. Up 1 fret. Move 1 fret again. Now exercise number 4, even more challenging. It's going to be 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1. So we can start from the 5th fret again, but this time we're going to start from the pinky. So it's going to be 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1. So it's like this. This is like number 2. When you move to another string, you have to move 3 fingers at the same time. By doing it this way, it will really improve the accuracy of the left hand and also learn to minimize the movement. So this will really help you if you want to learn faster in the long run. So it's like this. 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1. 3 fingers. Again, 3 fingers. Then you can do it on the 2 lower strings. Then you can do it on all strings. Move up. You can start from there and all the way up if you like. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons, and I will see you in the next video.